Meet John, a music educator whose students struggle with sight reading. He needs an affordable and time-saving way for them to practice sight reading on their own. Well, John, now you can with Sight Reading Factory student subscriptions. With SRF student subscriptions, each student gets their own account, usable on virtually any device, anytime, anywhere. You can view reports on your students' practice sessions to monitor their usage and progress. Hey John, need to assess your students? With our built-in learning management system, you can organize your students into classes or groups and create custom assignments. Each student can complete assignments by recording a sight reading exercise and submitting it to you. You can then view and listen to your student's submission, grade it, and leave feedback. Now, John's students sight read with confidence. His rehearsals are more productive, and his students have more success at auditions. Get started today with student subscriptions for as little as $2 per student.